Hello, Brooklyn and beyond. Brooklyn Jimmy, brooklynjimmy.com. And I had this for a while, and I've been waiting to do the install, well, unboxing. I keep saying I want to wait till I'm ready, Well, I guess today I'm sort of ready, but not really, but sort of. So let's get to it. Got the Saramonic Air. I bought it a long time ago. It was on sale. I think had like $40 off. So I figured it was a perfect opportunity to get it. But like, I think it's about time. It's months later. It's time to open this joint. I guess I don't have any tape on it, so no need for the box cutter. Put that down. And flip this open real quick. And just to let you know, I'm recording with the Nikon Z30. Got the 24 1.8 lens on there, and I'm using the Boya Mini TRS cable. All right, there we go. So that's everything, nothing else in the box. All right, I guess these are the accessories, and I'm guessing this is the microphone. Nothing in here, nothing in there, nothing in there. Okay, so I can throw these pieces out. I'm guessing this is the whole microphone piece. Let me, before I open that, let's see what's in here. All right. Oh, it's always like the lovely Saramonic bag that Saramonic sends. Got the little pamphlet. Anything else in here? Warranty paper. Another little pamphlet. No stickers? Okay, no stickers. Okay, put that there. And there's something in the bag. It's a little ridges on this side now. Okay, they made it a little stiffer. Usually it's just the whole cloth thing. Oh, okay, I see in here. One dead cat. Oh, and so you got the two dead cats. Okay, and what's inside this bag here? Oh, because I got the bigger kit, so this one is with the lav mics. It's not the typical tip. You got the proprietary one for Saramonic for this particular mic. And you got the microphone part right there. All right, so far so good. That's just a set of cables and the dead cats. So I'm guessing those don't fit. I think I've seen some videos already, and I don't believe those fit in the box. Here's a silica packet. Throw that with the other stuff that's throwing out. Got your TRS cable right here, and the USB-C to charge the pack. I'll put that over here. Put all this stuff over here. And let's open the actual mic case. You can feel like it's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's not too bad. Okay, got the nice little Saramonic branding right there, and it opens. Oh, it's charged 100% already. You see, you got the USB-C here. You got the Lightning one for the whatever those. Is it Lightning? Whatever the iPhone one. We don't talk iPhone here. And whoops. And they got the little magnets in here too, which is what stuck to the microphone. Let's see if I can put that back in. I see, did it? Oh, was it stored back here? I guess it's stored over here. So that's why it came out with the mic. So you stick the little microphone in there, and then this iPhone thing here. I guess this little clip was here. And but here's the microphone. I'll peel off this little tape. There. Throw that out. And this little tape over here, so I guess you don't get the charging terminals damaged. I think that's it. And get the little power button here. And I guess it's waiting to be synchronized with the receiver. So might as well just pull out the receiver now. This also has a little piece protecting the charging terminals. Come on. There we go. All right. And I guess this is where you hook up the USB-C or the iPhone mix. So how do you do it here? Okay, it looks pretty simple. Can I go only one? We'll go one way. Let's see. Put it here. Turn. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's pretty simple. All right, peel this off. Okay, and oh, if you want to monitor, you got a monitor right here, and this is where you plug the TRS cable. Where I put the cable? I might just throw that on here now and see if I can see how it sounds. Pull out the Boya Mini real quick. All right, but it would plug into here. But let me turn this on first. The case is 100%, but I don't know about the microphones. Oh, it says the receiver is at 100%. The microphone is not at 100%, but it's linked already. So if I talk in here, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's see, is there a volume button on here? Whoops. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But it looks like it's a little low. Got these bags sticking to my arm. Get over there. Get over there. How easy is it to put the dead cat on? I love Saramonic, but I know sometimes their dead cats aren't the most dependable. Oh, okay, this one kind of like, okay, it clinches, so you, oops, too far. Okay, so here, it just snaps into these two little grooves you have over here. It's a groove here, it's a groove here, so I guess it just snaps into that. And that's on. All right, so how do I control the volume on here? Let me try and hit the power button. Oh, I think that's muted. Okay, yeah, so if you press the power button, you get the red flashing light, and then you see on the receiver, the volume input sound turns to an X. Press it again, and the volume is back. But how you put up the volume, I guess I'll read that later. But this is pretty much just my unboxing, and I do want to hear how it sounds, so let me plug it in real quick. Oh wait, is this a touchscreen? No. Oh, okay, there you go. Outputs, manual, speaker, limiter, low cut brightness, backlight, TX indicator, language, pairing, reset the defaults, versions. Okay, so how do you see noise cancellation? So there's two different modes with noise cancellation. All right, so let me plug it into the laptop. Let me plug it into the computer. Let me plug it into my camera and give it a try. All right, so the sound you hear right now is coming from the Saramonic Mini. Sorry, Saramonic Air. Saramonic Air, not the Boya Mini. Not the Boya Mini. Of course, the Boya Mini does have a smaller case right here, and Let me click this to my shirt. Sorry, I dropped it. Okay, so now both of them are on my shirt. Okay. Alright, so yeah, this is the case. The Boya Mini, this is the TRS one though, so it's not the smallest one. The USB-C one is the one I have. The other one that I have is smaller. This is the Saramonic Air one. You can see it's a much bigger case for small microphones, but this is still the tiniest, but I think I can do more with the Air once I learn how to fully use it. So just to show a size comparison, this is the Boya Mini. And this is the Saramonic Air. A little bit of difference, but they're still really tiny mics. Oh, let me throw on the lav and see how that sounds. Throw on one of the lavs. Lavalier. Lava. Okay. Here. So do you just push it in, or is it a spin? Let's see. Okay, it pushes. Okay, sorry, I hit the mute, but now I'm talking into lav mic, and I was talking into the wrong side of the lav mic. So this is with the lav on the Saramonic Air, and yeah, it's just you just gotta push it in. You don't have to twist or anything. It's just a push in. So if I pull it out, there. Now I pulled it out, and I'll just push it back in again. It seems pretty secure. I don't think you have a problem with it coming out. So it looks like it's pretty good. So how'd you like the sound? Sounds good. Looks good. It's like I said, there's a lot of tools. I gotta go through this whole thing one day, which I'll never probably do. I'll just use it and learn as I go. But yeah, this is my opening. Saramonic Air. There. Saramonic Air. Saramonic Air. And now I can put this back in the case. I'm back to the Boya Mini. Okay, so now I'll put this in the case. It doesn't have the thing, so magnet, forgot about that. Let's see with the magnet there. Okay, red, so it's charging. The receiver lit up, so it's charging. Oh, and it shows the it shows the transmitter charging too. Come on, focus. Shows the transmitter charging too. So that's good. That's cool. Put this here. So let me take the tape off of this one too then. And then I can get this whole case charged up. And I'll probably try and use it today and see how well it goes. I think I want to drive my RC car and maybe fly the Mavic 3. Sorry, the Mini 3 Pro, because I want to. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you want to try out the Saramonic. Let's see, will this fit up here? If you want to try out the Saramonic Air, I'll put some links in the description. Of course, it'll be an affiliate link. You know, you'll help me out a little bit if you get it through there. That's okay. I don't mind. All right, let's see where the close. All right, it's not the cleanest. It's still sticking out there, but okay, it's in there. All right. Yeah, it's sticking out a little bit, but I'll worry about that another day. But I can fit that in there at least. All right, Brooklyn salute, and I am out.